Hi everybody, I'm Jimmy Williams. I have with me today Pat Plummer, local college student.
Hi everybody.
I'm here today to talk to you about the Lightning Fryer. This revolutionary device can have you cooking meals in no time at all.
In no time, Jimmy.
That's right. What took minutes now takes seconds. Literally.
Seconds? Did you hear that, everybody?
Woo! This simple device is so easy to use, even a college student can do it. It's just 4 easy steps. Step 1, plug in the deep fryer with the US standard power plug. 2, pour in your cooking oil. 3, turn the Lightning Fryer's knob to lightning mode. And step 4, dip away. When you hear the bell ring, your food's ready.
It's that easy?
Thanks to the Lightning Fryer's lightning speed, I now have time for 8 square meals a day. Now I have type 2 diabetes. Thanks, Lightning Fryer.
I don't know, Jimmy. Sounds too good to be true.
Doesn't it, Pat? Doesn't it? But have no fear. Let me show you how it's done. Woo!
Okay.
The Lightning Fryer freed up so much time from my day that I had time to cure cancer.
Ask yourself, what is it about every meal a college student has to have? Anyone? French fries. Now this process usually takes an average of 15 minutes. Who wants that? The best part about the Lightning Fryer is that you can cook it in no time and you can mix and match.
How about some pizza rolls?
Ah, pizza rolls. Excellent choice. See how easy that was? Here.
Ugh.
Isn't that the best pizza roll you've ever tasted?
It sure is.
But hey, don't stop there. You can fry anything with the Lightning Fryer, even pizza crusts. You might find these laying around a college dorm room after a night of hard partying. Go ahead, toss them in. Do it. It's done. Ah, hot.
Oh, that is good. Amazing. I'm sold.
I don't like Dutch people. Thanks, Lightning Fryer.
But wait, Pat, that's not all. If you order the Lightning Fryer within the next 5 minutes, you get this fabulous recipe book written by me, Jimmy Williams, Deep Frying Secrets. It has awesome recipes such as
potatoes, marshmallows, chopstick, a sock, a gold crayon, a cup of noodles, commemorative t-shirt to the minor character Burglecut in the 1980 film Willow, a Kenny Rogers initial guitar pick, a bullet, the Fat Boys Best Of album, all meat and no filler. The last golden ticket. The limit configuration. Needles. More needles. The Declaration of Independence. The heart of the ocean. Al Gore's missing Florida ballots.
goddamn Chads.
Kryptonite. The One Ring.
Only in the fires of Mount Doom.
A 5-week-old puppy.
Ooh! Too far, Pat. Too far.
I guess that's everything then.
Well...
Oh, why'd you do that? I can't feel anything in my hand.
Can't feel anything.
No, you gotta get me to the hospital.
You're not sick? Let me see.
Oh my God, why did you do that?
Purchase your very own lightning fryer today for just 3 easy payments of $59.99. And if you call within the next hour, you'll receive these grease-resistant super tongs, perfect for picking up those delicious deep-fried treats. Call within the next 10 minutes, and we'll also include a year subscription to Smooth Magazine, a year subscription to Playboy Magazine, and a year subscription to Highlights Magazine for children. Void prohibited in the United States and Guadalajara. Product only legalized for sale in Canada.